Hello, and welcome to the channel. If you're someone who's passionate about sound, audio production, or you just want to find the best mixing console with the best price-quality ratio, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to help you make one of the most important decisions for your audio setup. Whether you're in a home studio, mixing for a live event, or setting up a professional recording studio, the mixing console you choose will directly impact the quality of your sound. But here's the thing. You don't need to break the bank to get the best quality sound. What you need is a mixing console that delivers great performance at an affordable price. And that's exactly what we'll cover today. I'm going to walk you through the top 5 mixing consoles in the US market for 2024, all with an unbeatable price-to-performance ratio, so you can make an informed decision and get the best value for your money. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk a little about why the price-quality ratio is so important when choosing a mixing console. Why price-quality ratio matters. When you're in the market for a mixing console, there are a few key things to consider. The sound quality, how durable the unit is, and how easy it is to use. But the price-quality ratio really stands out because you want something that will give you professional-level sound without needing to spend thousands of dollars. Think about it. Whether you're setting up a home studio, doing a live sound mix for a concert, or working in a professional recording environment, you need to know that your investment in a mixing console will not only give you superior audio quality, but will also last for years. A good price-quality ratio ensures you're not paying for unnecessary features that you won't use, but you're still getting all the core features that will elevate your audio game. In today's video, we'll focus on finding that sweet spot between quality and affordability. From entry-level models to more advanced mixers, you'll get the full picture of what's available right now. What to look for in a mixing console. So, what exactly should you be looking for when selecting the best mixing console for the money? Let's break it down into a few key factors. Sound quality. First and foremost, your mixing console must deliver clear, professional-grade sound. Whether you're recording vocals, mixing a live band, or producing a podcast, this is non-negotiable. You want crisp, clean audio with minimal distortion and, of course, the ability to control all aspects of the sound. Ease of use. A good mixing console should have an intuitive interface that doesn't require a PhD to understand. While professional-grade equipment comes with complex features, it should also be user-friendly enough for beginners to learn without too much frustration. Durability. If you're going to be hauling this mixer around for gigs, you want something that's built to last. Many high-quality models are made with rugged materials that can withstand the demands of constant travel and use. Connectivity and features. Make sure the mixer has the right inputs and outputs for your setup, whether that's XLR, TRS, or USB ports. You'll also want to consider whether the mixer is analog or digital, and what additional features like EQ, effects processing, and built-in USB audio interfaces come with it. Section 3. Top 5 best mixing consoles for the price-quality ratio in 2024. Now, let's dive into the top 5 mixing consoles with the best price-quality ratio in the United States for 2024. These are the consoles that I believe offer the best value for their performance. Behringer X32 Digital Mixer. First up, we have the Behringer X32. This digital mixer is widely regarded as one of the best in terms of value for money. It's packed with 32 channels, and what's amazing about this mixer is that it combines advanced features with an affordable price tag. The sound quality is excellent, and you get full control over the sound with built-in effects and routing options. Plus, it's great for both live sound mixing and studio recording. The X32 is also known for its robust design, making it perfect for touring or heavy studio use. Mackie Onyx Series. Next up is the Mackie Onyx Series. If you're looking for something that's a bit more traditional in terms of analog sound, the Onyx mixers are a fantastic choice. They're known for their clear, rich audio and solid build quality. Whether you need a small format mixer for a home studio or something that can handle a live event, Mackie has you covered with this series. The price-quality ratio is outstanding, and they offer a range of models for different needs. Yamaha MG Series. The Yamaha MG series is another great contender for those seeking a compact, affordable mixer. This is a perfect option for home studios or small live gigs. With its legendary sound quality, ease of use, and simple interface, the MG series provides excellent value for anyone looking for affordable yet reliable audio equipment. Allen & Heath ZD series. If you're looking for analog warmth and professional-grade sound, the Allen & Heath ZD series is an incredible choice. These mixers offer superior sound quality at an incredibly competitive price point. It's perfect for people who prefer the feel of an analog mixer, but still want high-quality sound clarity and durability. Soundcraft Notepad series. Finally, we have the Soundcraft Notepad series. Known for its compact design and clear audio, this series is a perfect fit for people who need a portable solution without compromising on sound. It's ideal for podcasting, streaming, or small studio recordings. The Notepad series delivers great performance at a very reasonable price, making it one of the best budget-friendly options. Section 4. Digital versus analog mixers. At this point, you might be wondering whether to go with a digital or analog mixer. Let's quickly break it down. Digital mixers. These offer greater flexibility, built-in effects, and more customization options. They tend to be more feature-rich, with everything you need in one box, but sometimes at the cost of ease of use for beginners. Analog mixers. On the other hand, analog mixers are known for their warmth and simplicity. They offer an intuitive, hands-on experience that many sound engineers prefer, especially for live sound. However, they might not have the same built-in effects and features as their digital counterparts. The choice ultimately depends on your needs. If you need more control and flexibility, go for a digital mixer. If you want classic, rich analog sound, choose an analog model. All right, there you have it. Whether you're a beginner, a professional, or someone who just needs a reliable mixing console for home recording, these top picks for 2024 offer unbeatable value for your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with our audio equipment reviews and mixing tips. We'll be posting more in-depth reviews on mixing boards, sound gear, and music production tips soon, so stay tuned. Informative paragraph. When it comes to choosing the right mixing console, there are several critical factors to consider to ensure you're getting the best value for your investment. First and foremost, sound quality should always be your top priority. A great mixing console should deliver crystal clear, professional-grade audio with minimal noise or distortion, whether you're working in a home studio, mixing live sound for an event, or recording in a professional setting. But it's not just about sound. The price-quality ratio plays a huge role in determining whether you're getting your money's worth. If you're working with a limited budget, it's important to strike a balance between affordable pricing and advanced features. Digital mixers like the Behringer X32 offer a wealth of advanced functionalities, from customizable routing to built-in effects and multi-track recording capabilities, making them a great option for anyone looking for versatility without spending a fortune. However, if you prefer the classic, tactile control of an analog mixer, models like the Allen & Heath ZD series offer exceptional warmth and rich sound quality, often favored by audio engineers for their simplicity and hands-on operation. When choosing a mixer, you also need to think about the size and portability of the unit. For smaller spaces like a home studio or podcast setup, compact mixers like the Yamaha MG series or the Soundcraft Notepad provide excellent performance without taking up too much real estate. They're easy to transport, making them ideal for musicians or content creators on the go. On the other hand, if you're setting up a larger live sound system or full-scale recording studio, you might want a mixer with more channels and inputs, such as a Mackie Onyx series, which offers superior build quality and robust sound capabilities. Another key factor to keep in mind is durability. Mixing consoles are often subjected to heavy use, especially in live sound environments. Rugged construction and reliable components ensure that your mixer can stand the test of time and continue performing well under demanding conditions. Brands like Mackie, Behringer, and Yamaha are known for producing mixers that are not only affordable, but also built to withstand frequent transportation and usage. These brands also back up their products with solid warranties and customer support, which is an added benefit for anyone who relies on their gear for professional work. Ultimately, the ideal mixing console for you depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize advanced features, ease of use, sound quality, or portability. Each model we've reviewed today provides an excellent price-to-performance ratio, offering the perfect balance of affordability and functionality for different types of audio production, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned professional looking to upgrade your equipment. With the right choice, you can elevate your sound, optimize your workflow, and ensure your projects meet the highest professional standards. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep mixing and making great sound.